Hello, good morning to all the students and all people who are watching this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again, Sareun. Today I'm very excited to meet you again. Because of coronavirus and COVID-19 makes all students cannot study in the classroom, so I hope that this video will help you to learn at home. Today our topic is classroom language for teachers and students of English. So all the phrase and sentence is about the classroom language that the teacher and student can use in the class. You know, when we teach or study English and we use classroom language every day, it's very good and make the student feel that English is an easy language and they can practice with their friend or with teacher in the class. So it makes the language teaching more successfully. Now continue. Here are some phrases about classroom language you should know, understand or be able to use. Now start. Some classroom language for teacher. So all these phrases use with teacher. Teacher can use this phrase to speak with the student. How are you today? Hello everyone. Good morning everybody. Good afternoon class. Come in, go out. So when the teacher come to meet the student at the first time when they come into the class, the teacher can say, how are you today? And it mean in Khmer that តើអ្នកសុខសប្បាយទេថ្ងៃនេះ Hello everyone. When the teacher teach in the morning, teacher can say good morning everybody. When he teach in the afternoon, the teacher can say good afternoon class, like that. And this is the other phrases that the teacher can use in the class. Stand up, sit down, come to the front of the class, stand by your desk, put your hands up, put your hand down. Let's begin today's lesson. So are very important to use in the class. When teachers speak it every day, the student will be able to listen and do follow the instruction of the teacher. Now continue the other page. Let's begin our lesson now. I hope you are all ready for your English lesson. I think we can start now. Is everyone ready to start? So this is very important for the student. Classroom language for student. This is the sentence that the student can use in the classroom with their teacher. When the student come to school late, the student can say, I'm sorry, I am late. Can I come in the class? How should I pronounce? How do you pronounce this word? Would you pronounce the words? How do you spell? Would you give us an example? ចឹងប្រយោគចុងក្រោយនេះដែរនៅពេលដែលយើងមិនយល់អំពីមេរៀនឬក៏វិជ្ជករណាមួយយើងសិស្សទាំងអស់អាចប្រើប្រយោគនេះ Would you give us an example? តើលោកគ្រូឬក៏អ្នកគ្រូអាចផ្ដល់ឧទាហរណ៍ឲ្យយើងមួយទៀតបានទេ How do you spell that? ចឹងបើសិនមកសិស្សទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់អាច spell ពាក្យណាមួយបានយើងអាចប្រើប្រយោគនេះដើម្បីសួរលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូ How do you spell that? តើលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូ spell ពាក្យនោះដោយវិធីណា Could you explain a little bit more about that? ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងអត់យល់នៅបញ្ហាអ្វីមួយយើងអាចប្រើប្រយោគនេះបានគឺជាប្រយោគគួរសមតើអ្នកអាចបញ្យល់វាបន្ថែមបន្តិចទៀតបានទេ What do you mean? What is the difference between A and B? ប្រយោគនេះមានន័យថាតើ A និង B ខុសគ្នាដូចម្ដេច I don't understand today's lesson. I don't understand the homework. ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងអត់យល់ homework ណាមួយយើងអាចប្រើប្រយោគនេះបានហើយឲ្យលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូរបស់យើងពន្យល់ម្ដងទៀត Can I go to the restroom ជានៅពេលដែលយើងចង់ទៅបន្ទប់ទឹកយើងអាចប្រើ Can I go to the restroom Can I change seat តើខ្ញុំអាចបដូរកៅអីអង្គុយបានទេ Yes, all the words, all the phrases, sentence are used in the classroom. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get new video. Goodbye and good luck.